My name is Timo, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your first OWL IoT network. If you're just getting started with IoT, or you want to build your own remote sensor network, maybe a private chat network, you might know that connectivity is often the hardest problem to solve within IoT. That's why we created one solution that gets you from prototype to field-ready devices within minutes. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to set up your first devices and deploy your first network.
Most IoT projects start with a simple assumption, that you will have some sort of connectivity. But the reality is, Wi-Fi and LTE don't always reach where your devices need to go. Maybe your test site is 5 kilometers offshore, or maybe it's even underground. OWL uses mesh networking to solve this problem. Instead of relying on a central tower or access point, every device in a mesh talks to its neighbors, passing messages from node to node until one of them reaches a gateway that can either upload the data or store it locally. Add more ducts and the network grows stronger, lose one and the others reroute automatically. OWL IoT brings everything together in one platform. Hardware, firmware, and software that work seamlessly from field to the cloud. At its core is the DuckLink, a modular LoRa device built for rugged off-grid environments. Each duct can act as a gateway, repeater, or sensor node. It can be customized to integrate with any system or sensor. All your data flows into the OWL duct management system, where you can set up devices, flash firmware directly from your browser, and monitor real-time network activity from anywhere. To get started, you will need at least 2 DuckLink devices. One to act as your Papa duck, the gateway, and one as your Mama duck, a node in the mesh. And you need access to your OWL DMS account. Once you're logged into DMS, go to the Devices tab. Start by creating 2 devices, one Papa duck and one Mama duck. While creating your Mama duck, make sure to select the Papa duck you just created from the dropdown. This automatically links the 2 devices inside of your network, so when they're deployed in the field, they will recognize and communicate with each other right away. The next step is uploading firmware to your device. We will start with your Papa duck. In the DMS, go to Flash Device, then connect your board to your computer using USB. Once it's detected, choose your Papa duck firmware and select the Papa duck you just created. For this setup, we will connect the Papa to Wi-Fi, so it can upload the data to the cloud. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password for the network you want your Papa duck to use, then click Flash. The system will automatically build and upload the firmware to your board. This usually takes less than a minute. Next, we will flash your Mama duck. The process is the same. Connect your second DuckLink to your computer and open the Flash Device page in the DMS. This time, select Mama duck firmwares and choose the Mama duck you created earlier. You can flash different types of Mama ducks. Out of the box, the starter kits include the offline portal for sending messages to the cloud, along with built-in GPS location tracking. You can also connect supported sensors to match your specific use case. Once both devices are flashed, you're ready to deploy. Start by powering on your Papa duck. This acts as your gateway and connects to the cloud over Wi-Fi. Then power on your Mama duck. It will automatically link to the Papa duck and begin sending messages periodically. For the best result, aim for line of sight between each device. Try spacing them a few hundred meters apart in open areas, or close together if there are obstacles. Open your DMS dashboard and you will see the messages coming in live. From here, you can start modifying your Mama ducks, adding sensors or integrate them with your own systems or assets to capture the data you need. That's it, you're ready to go live. For more detailed setup tips and placement examples, check out the Deployment Starter Guide on our website.